friends, welcome back to part 2 of this functional makeover that I am doing for my best friend. We had so much footage and so much information to share with you all that I went ahead and split up this project into 2 digestible videos for you all, and this is part 2. However, by doing that, I felt like I was kind of just throwing you all straight back into the makeover without any context, so I decided I should film this to go ahead and catch you back up to speed on what we're doing. And basically we are getting started right back into the kitchen. I am just decanting her dish soap from this oil bottle back into the soap dispenser. The oil bottle is actually a really great idea. I thought that was really creative and innovative. However, we need the oil bottle, so we're going to go ahead and put the soap back into a soap dispenser and go ahead and switch this oil bottle back into an oil bottle. I just rinsed it out and I'm filling up these 2 bottles because in their household they do cook with 2 different kinds of oils, and then we're going to go ahead and create some labels for those in just a little bit. For all the stainless steel throughout her entire kitchen, I am going to be using In Dust in tandem with this microfiber cloth. This is my favorite product to use for stainless steel. I swear by it over the Weissman brand. It's also more affordable, it's cheaper. I feel like some of those name brands leave stainless steel feeling really greasy. In Dust is able to polish and nourish it without leaving it feeling greasy if you go to touch it or reach for it. I just think it leaves a really good finish, and you'll see here how clean the top looks compared to the bottom. Unfortunately, you're also able to see some rust stains on the bottom half of the kitchen. This is an older apartment, so you will see some of those cosmetic blemishes throughout the home, and we're just going to be doing our best to work around them because there's not really much you can do when you're renting an older apartment.
Spill the truth, the waste your life away, sitting on your fingertips, so I know what you'll say. Baby, don't bother, you know it hurts.
These labels that you see me using are from the Dollar Tree. I really like them because they're kind of plasticky, and it was also really easy for me to perfect the placement of where I wanted to put them, so I was able to place them, peel them up, and place them back down again, as you can see in these clips.
We said we hold on, but now it's over. It can't be over. Over.
Last week we went ahead and DIY'd this backsplash for $10. The Dollar Tree prices are now $1.25, so it might be a little different in pricing. They do still sell this wallpaper though if you're interested. Now we're just going to do some cleaning in the kitchen, so I'm going to go ahead and stop talking for a little while and let you just enjoy some cleaning motivation with some music.
Baby, don't bother, you know it hurts anyway. Don't bother, as long as you don't say that it's over now that it's over. We used to talk about getting older. We said we hold on, but now it's over. It can't be over. Over.
Here we're cleaning out this cabinet because she has so many teas, and we're going to go ahead and decant it. And this drawer project is honestly one of my favorites of the video. I just love how it turned out, and I actually wish that I had a large drawer next to my coffee and tea station, because I would kind of love to have this very satisfying organization of all my tea bags that you're going to see here in a little bit.
Let's go. Look around, where's the people at? I want a taste of the good life. Hit me with it right now, in it. Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh, I want it. Let's go. And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Maybe I don't have the
off camera, Chance went ahead and emptied out the pantry for us. He went ahead and threw away anything that was expired, and he just put the rest of it on the counter and some paper towels on the floor. And basically we're going to go through this and we are going to clean out the pantry now. We're going to place in some liners, create a plan for where we want all of our bins to go, and then we're going to start categorizing things and putting them where it makes the most sense.
It's what I'm gonna do, 'cause right now I'm in it. I feel kinda dizzy when I'm staring at you, and I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby. I just wanna.
I haven't mentioned this yet in the video, but I am using the honeysuckle Mrs. Myers all over the home. So this is what I've been using if you're wondering which scent this was.
Your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Cincinnati, baby. Cincinnati, baby. Yeah. Cincinnati, baby. Cincinnati, baby. Everything stops when you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move like that, and I wanna get in close to you. It's what I'm.
This hack is one you have all seen me use in my own home, where I use some shower curtain hooks to hang some organizational baskets. Here we're using that in tandem with some of the over-the-door towel holders from the Dollar Tree. We use that all over her kitchen in 3 different ways, so if you're looking for some organization hacks with those, go ahead and keep watching, because you're going to find lots of creative ways to use these where you can save so much space in small kitchens. I'll also go ahead and link on screen and in the description the video where we use this same hack in my own home, in case you're looking for even more ideas on how to use this.
Started out so small. We drank and then we talked. She got to know me, I got to know her, and suddenly it's war. Then peace on and off. It's getting to me.
Hi, baby. Aww.
About the pool. Here's what I've been thinking. I don't know what else to do, so I'm forever calling her truth. She's a roller coaster ride going up, down. I'm forced to feel feelings that I can't fight. Not 20 anymore, gotta realize that I'm too old for puppy love. Party's getting weaker by the years now. Can't take it anymore, need a timeout. Not 20 anymore, gotta realize that I'm too old for puppy love. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. We met in July, a summer ride or die. But summer don't last, and neither should we. I won't break down and cry. This happens all the time. Yeah, we happen too fast, way too high speed. Here's what I've been thinking. Here's what I would do when 2 people are sinking. You should get them.
In last week's video, we also did some home decor shopping. We went to TJ Maxx, we went to At Home, Target, all kinds of different places, and we picked up these towels. If you want to see that, I will link that video up on the screen in case you're wanting to know where we got some of this home decor.
Forced to feel feelings that I can't fight. Not 20 anymore, gotta realize that I'm too old for a puppy love.
We're gonna go ahead and place this here, but as I was putting the towel out, I realized that we did not wipe the ovens, so we're gonna do that, and then I'll replace the towel back.
Too old for a puppy love. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Here you'll will be seeing us use those over-the-door towel holders again. We're using these for her oven mitts and her pot holders. Moving over to the sink, we have some cute accessories that we have here, and we're just gonna go ahead and organize this. And my quick tip to make your sink look really nice and clean is to just give it a nice dry off all the watermarks, and your sink's gonna look like it's brand new.
Like you care for me, you're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly?
We're now moving on to the bathroom. We're just gonna give this a quick cleaning. It doesn't need much of a remakeover or anything like that.
My, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like, oh my God, don't let anyone hold you down just because you.
So we're gonna be cleaning the tub and shower with some Comet. We have it in liquid form.
And the best part is that
Chance is gonna go ahead and replace the shower liner just because it really needed that. And it's also really important to have a clean shower liner because you are in a hot, moistured area, and so you're gonna want to make sure that you're taking care of your own health when you're in there by cleaning and replacing that regularly. In the toilet, we are using a Clorox toilet bowl cleaner, and then we are using some powdered Comet because it is just, again, an older apartment and it needs that extra bit of strength.
you got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like, oh my God, this time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 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 'cause you got.
I'm gonna be using these suction cup hooks that we also got from the Dollar Tree. This is just to go ahead and take up some more vertical space. Instead of things sitting on the edge of the tub, which can kind of cause mildew and staining, we're gonna go ahead and hang it so that things have a time and place to dry instead of creating mildew on the edge of the bathtub.
You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my.
She goes her own way, like you don't give a damn, girl. And my God, she owns it. So many heartbreaks, goes back to 2014, and I think that she knows it. And if you've seen her, I know.
To bring in some more color and texture in the living room, I went ahead and ordered her some of these yellow pillowcases. There is a little bit of yellow accents in her big area rug here, which you'll see in some vacuuming clips here soon. So we're pulling in that, and then it has this nice ribbed effect. It also has this like microfiber velvet finish that is really popular these days, and I just think this couch looks super cozy and textured and colorful, but also it looks really clean. Cleaning your living room and tidying up is kind of like making your bed. It's like you do that one thing and it makes the whole house look really good. You make your bed and then the whole room looks cleaner, you know?
My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's way too cool. But I want her to. Oh yeah. Ripped skinny jeans and tattoos on both her ankles. 21 pilot t-shirt. That's the stuff.
On the last little space we have to tackle is her dining room. Again, we're just gonna do some simple cleaning, wiping things down, a little bit of vacuuming. I'm gonna go ahead and say goodbye to you guys now. Please enjoy the rest of this cleaning motivation with some music for you all, and I will see you back here next week with another video. Bye guys.
Give it a shot, but you'll be missing the cut. I think she knows that. She drives him crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes him want it so bad. Gets the attention that we wish that we had. Yeah, it's almost was cruel, 'cause I want her to. Oh yeah, I'm running in circles just to make her